Oh wow, who would have thought that the water from a boiled red cabbage could produce such a beautiful, delicate colour? Just a red cabbage. Brilliant. Good morning. I'm in my mackerel raincoat this morning because this is what it looked like at 6 o'clock this morning. That's torrential, isn't it? Anyway, I thought when we got back we'd have a go at another little arty crafty project using one of these little cotton tote bags with a little handle there. And you can pick them up in most craft stores. They're not very expensive at all, and they're brilliant because obviously being cotton you can dye them, and you've got a blank canvas if you like on the front to sew or paint or do anything. Yeah, so let me take Robbie dog out and I'll see you shortly. Okay, let's see how it's going. Oh wow, who would have thought? It's almost a pearly pink, almost an oatmeal-y pearly pink, if I can describe it as such. Really pleased with that, so delicate and soft. Just a red cabbage. Brilliant. I'm looking forward to decorating it now, but obviously the first thing to do is give it a good press with a steam iron. Yeah, definitely. Okay, so I've pressed the little tote bag. It's not perfect. It looks a little bit like tie-dye. You can see where it's creased in the water and the different colours have blended in. But that's nice actually. That's kind of something that makes it a little bit unique and different. So I am pleased with it. It's got a real nice kind of almost, I would say, raspberry colour to it. How nice. Raspberries and cream. Yeah, how very summery. It's a good bag this. It'll be a bag for summer. So I've been thinking about how to decorate it, and continuing the theme of wildflowers, I thought maybe we could try a little bit of decoupage using some napkins. I'm not sure which one to use. I've been thinking about the colour, which is almost like raspberry ripple. I've got to make sure the colours don't clash, but I think we want something quite bold, so we'll go for that one, I think. So let's open that one up and have a look. So I've chosen this one, and I'm just started to soak it round the edge. we finished. We started off this video with torrential rain, didn't we? And now look at it, the sun's come out and I've got this lovely sun hat on here. Lovely floppy sun hat, just to keep that sun off my neck. It's really good for that. Anyway, thank you for your company, and our little tote bag is finished. Isn't it pretty? Look at the lovely colour. So yeah, really pleased with it. All I need now is something to put in it. Now I do need some bread, so what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to take it down to the village shop. There we are. We're ready to go. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little crafting project, and it was fun, wasn't it? Just to make something that didn't cost very much and was really quite simple to do, really. So I hope you have a really good week. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell for notifications, because that really does help and I really appreciate it. Have a good week, and I hope to see you again very shortly. Bye for now.